So I'm in Fresh in Smithfield, and I'm going to use a reverse vending machine, a Sensi reverse vending machine, to return 2 bottles. So on the machine itself, there's the round entry location, and there is a place here for the receipt that prints. So to start the process, I put in the first bottle. It's a 2 litre bottle, bottom first. Now I think you do have to turn it until it finds the barcode. Now, so barcode. We'll try the other bottle. Now luckily that found the barcode, so put in the next one. That found the second barcode. So you have to know where the barcode is or guess where it is, and wait 30 seconds now, and the 50-cent voucher should print automatically without having to touch the touchscreen. So about 20 more seconds. I can hear the receipt printing now. That's excellent.